If you're having trouble unlocking multiplayer in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues or glitches that prevent multiplayer access. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in the Riot client and install any available patches to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 4. Verify account status. Log into your Riot Games account and check if there are any restrictions or bans on your account. If there are issues, follow the instructions provided by Riot Games to resolve them. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Riot Games support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive, to help them diagnose the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock multiplayer in Valorant and enjoy the game without further interruptions.